Mounting a projector shouldn't feel like you're risking a concussion every time you walk into the room. If you buy a cheap, flimsy mount, your expensive projector is just waiting to crash down. I got tired of guessing which ones are actually safe, so I bought the top 5 most popular ceiling mounts. I tested them for stability, ease of installation, and adjustability so you don't have to waste your money. Product number 1, Wally Projector Mount PM003W. I started with the Wally PM003 in white. When I pulled it out of the box, the first thing I noticed was the weight. It's made of heavy-grade steel, not plastic. It feels like it could hold a tank, or at least a 44-pound projector, which is what it's rated for. Installation was flexible. I like that you can mount it flush to the ceiling if you have low ceilings, or use the telescoping arm to drop it down over 2 feet if you need to clear a ceiling fan. The spider arms that grab the projector are adjustable, but it took me a minute to line them up perfectly with my mounting holes. Once it was up, the tilt adjustment was solid. If you have a heavy, professional-grade projector and need a white mount to blend in with your ceiling, this is the sturdy choice. Product number 2, Aliexpress Ceiling Projector Mount. Next, I tried the Aliexpress mount. This one is totally different. It's designed specifically for those smaller portable projectors that use a single screw hole like a camera tripod. It's incredibly lightweight. Holding the telescoping pole, it felt simple but effective for lighter units under 5.5 pounds. The ball head is the best part. It gives you 360-degree rotation and a 90-degree tilt, which made aiming the image super easy compared to the rigid steel mounts. However, be careful, it's not for heavy gear. I mounted a small Epson on it and it held fine, but I wouldn't push the weight limit. If you have a mini projector like a YiePhiot or TMY and just need a quick, flexible way to get it off your coffee table, this is perfect. Product number 3, Wally Projector Mount PM003B. Then I installed the black version of the Wally mount. It's essentially the same build as the white one, but the matte black finish looks much better in a dedicated home theater room where you want everything dark. Again, the steel construction gave me total peace of mind. I tested the wall mounting option with this one. It extends out about 22 inches, which is plenty of clearance. One thing to note is that this does not work on vaulted or angled ceilings. The base plate needs to be flat. But for a standard flat ceiling or wall stud, it's rock solid. If you are building a man cave with dark walls and need a heavy-duty mount that disappears into the shadows, get this black version. Product number 4, PUTORSEN Adjustable Projector Ceiling Mount. I also tested the PUTORSEN mount, which uses a tray instead of screw holes. This is brilliant if your projector doesn't have mounting holes at all. I placed a laptop on it first just to test the stability, and the 22-pound limit felt accurate. The tray is about 14 by 9 inches, so check your device size first. My favorite feature was the hidden cable routing inside the tube. It keeps everything looking clean. It was weirdly satisfying to just set the projector on the shelf rather than fighting with screws and alignment arms. If you have an odd-shaped projector or maybe want the flexibility to swap devices quickly without unscrewing anything, this tray style is a lifesaver. Product number 5, Wally Projector Ceiling Mount Tray PM005B. Finally, I checked out Wally's tray mount version. Similar to the PUTORSEN, it solves the no-holes problem. The build quality here is consistent with Wally's other stuff, durable and no deformation even when I press down on it. It supports up to 22 pounds. What stood out was the flexible adjustment claim. It actually works. You can adjust the height and angle easily, and the tray has a lip to keep the projector from sliding off. I used the cable management system to hide the HDMI cord, and it looked very professional. If you want the reliability of the Wally brand but need a tray system because you don't want to drill into your actual projector case, this is the way to go. So if you have a beast of a projector, stick with the heavy-duty Wally arm, but if you're running a lightweight portable setup, the Aliexpress or the tray mounts will save you a lot of headache. I've dropped links to all 5 down below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.